Hi guys, welcome to the Passion Show with Avinash Sahu. I'm your host and friend Avinash, right here to discuss everything related to your career, passion, success, struggle, and anything else you want to ask about yourself, your career, and anything else. So guys, in yesterday's video, we discussed about time is equal to success. And in today's video, in today's session, we are going to discuss an extension version of that time, how you are using your time. So I told you in the last video that the time that you are using, 80% of your time that you are using in a career, in a place, in things that making you success. So if you want to be succeed at something, you have to spend 80% of your daily time on that particular thing. And I told you about a story. If somebody is spending more than 80% of his time in certain things, in a certain period of time, थोड़े से time के बाद, he started getting success on that particular thing. Doesn't matter what it is exactly. Is there any problem going on, guys? Okay, so that is basically the thing, and today we are going to discuss about how you can actually capture your time, how you can actually manage your time to focus 80% of your time on the craft that you want. So that is the thing. So we're going to discuss today in today's video. I'll tell you that, and today's topic I taken is that how many noises you have in your life. I repeat, the topic for today is how many noises that you have in your life. So when I say noise का मतलब नहीं है कि like गाना or something, you know, some buzz around the public or something like that. When I say noise means things where you are actually spending your time unknowingly or unwantedly. ना चाहते हुए भी आपका समय जहां जहां चला जाता है वो आपके लिए नॉइज है. Guys, if you are not following your passion and you are actually captured by different noises in this world, you are actually wasting your time unknowingly. You have to wake up and identify how many noises that you have in this day which can actually be replaced with the good thing, the thing that is related to your dream can be done. So that is it. आज की डेट में when the technology are really going, you know, it's developing like anything, the noises are actually increasing. I'll tell you, I'll name some noise. The noise number 1 is social media. Noise number 2 is YouTube videos. Noise number 3, your Insta chat or something like that. Noise number 4, so many other things. TV programs, anything else that you are watching, doing. But end of the day, जब आप सोचते हो क्या इन सारी चीजों की जरूरत है मेरी लाइफ में, और है तो कितना है, then you actually get to know कि no. In most of the cases you are actually wasting your time. ये नॉइज, मैंने इनको इसलिए नॉइज का नाम दिया बिकॉज ये आपके लाइफ में इतना बज क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, इतनी ज्यादा आपको हिट कर रहे हैं कि आप इनको छोड़ के रह नहीं पा रहे हो. आपको लगता है कि यही लाइफ है. जब आप ये सारी चीजें करते रहोगे तो आपको अपना मेन काम, आपके ड्रीम, आपका पैशन प्रोजेक्ट, आपका ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट के लिए टाइम नहीं बचता है. यू हैव टू सेव योर सेल्फ फ्रॉम दीज नॉइजेस जो मैंने अभी नाम लिया. कुछियों का बहुत सारे नॉइजेस आपके लाइफ में भी होंगे जो एक्चुअली अननेसेसरी. You have to close your ears for these noises. I mean to say, you have to hide yourself from these distractions, these noise, to focus on your passion project, focus on your dream project in order to getting succeeded at it. तो इसलिए आपका टाइम कहां चला जाता है आपको पता नहीं चलता. I told you that the 80% of the time that you are going to invest in a career, in something that you are interested in, is going to make you succeeded in life, and 20% rest is supposed to be used everywhere else. जो बचते हैं आपके लाइफ में, खाने पीने से लेके, नहाने से लेके, और कुछ भी करें, ट्रैवल एंड एवरीथिंग, that 20% has to be used. Rest 80% has to be focused and used in the career that you want to take it forward. एंड टू डू दैट, वो 80% को यूज करने के लिए आपको बाकी जितने नॉइजेस आपके लाइफ में, इन सबको हटाना पड़ेगा, इन सब से अपने आप को हाइड करना होगा. You have to make a list of the noises that you have in your life and you have to let go one by one. तब आपको समय मिलेगा आपको अपने करियर में इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए. अगर आप ऐसा नहीं करते हो तो आपका टाइम कहां चला जाएगा आपको पता नहीं चलेगा, and you will not be able to focus on the thing in your dream, and by end of the day you won't be getting succeeded. So you have to think and you have to be very careful of using your time in the way of wiping out, taking out the noises that is actually capturing yourself unknowingly. आपको पता भी नहीं है, बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें हैं जो आप करते हो, आपका घंटों टाइम बर्बाद होता है. 2000 नॉइज, उसको मैंने नॉइज का नाम लिया. उस नॉइज को आपको हटाने होंगे अपने जिंदगी से, सो दैट आपको टाइम मिलेगा जो मेन काम है जिसको आप करना चाहते हैं, जिसमें आप सक्सेस बनना चाहते हो, उसमें फोकस करने के लिए. सो दैट इज द थॉट बिहाइंड दिस, हाउ मेनी नॉइजेस दैट यू हैव इन योर लाइफ. यू हैव टू मेक ए लिस्ट ऑफ इट एंड एक एक करके हटाओ. तभी आपको 80% टाइम मिलेगा अपने क्राफ्ट में इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए, अपने करियर में इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए. अगर ऐसा आप करते हो तो जिसमें भी आप इन्वेस्ट करते हो, विद इन सडन पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, 2, 3, 4, 5 साल के बाद अपने आप को सक्सेस पाओगे उसी चीज में. अगर ऐसा आप नहीं करते हो, देन यू विल बी थिंकिंग आफ्टर 5 years कि मेरा समय कहां चला गया, और आप जब आप बैठ के आप हिसाब लगाओगे आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा समय कहां गया. यू हैव टू फोकस, you have to wipe out all the noises from your life and focus on your own craft, on your passion project, on your dream project, in order to getting succeeded at it. That is the thought. And again guys, whatever you do, you just have to do what you love and spend 80% of your time the things that you are passionate about and you love doing, and that is going to make you succeeded. See you, goodbye, and see you the next.